You're not nervous though?
No.
Okay, just check. Because we've cut you once before.
Yes.
Very cool. And that she was saying it was about 8, 9 months ago?
Yes.
Okay. Do I remember these highlights or are those new?
No, I think these ones are new.
Gotcha. Cool. Are you running into any trouble with your hair? Like, are you struggling with anything?
I think so. It's very dry.
It's very dry? It's getting very tangly? Gotcha.
And I want to be like longer.
You want it to be longer.
Longer.
I'm down for you to grow it out. But at the same time, I don't want you to be growing out the tangly stuff.
Okay.
Right? So, when did you get these highlights?
Oh, it was in Mexico.
In Mexico? What part?
Mexico City.
Did they cut it at all when they colored it, or just the color?
They only color it and cut only like the.
They just trimmed the ends?
Yep.
Okay. Did they trim it when it was wet?
Yes.
Okay. What I'm seeing is, you see how short like some of this stuff is underneath here?
Yes.
And then you got this stuff longer. So what happens, we're like, oh, we're just gonna trim it. They'll pull it down straight, they'll cut it, and then it goes a lot shorter than everything else.
Yes.
I know it's been, like you said, 8 months. All right, you see what I see?
Yes.
What do you think happened there?
I don't know.
Because it wasn't me. Yeah. When we cut you last, did I take much off? I don't remember if we like.
I think it was not that
Not
much.
too much, right?
No, not
Yeah.
too much.
That's interesting. I feel like that must have happened whenever if they trimmed you after the color, because there's a lot of really interesting stuff going on over
Yes.
here. You okay with me like kind of bringing this up to kind of like get some evenness
Yes.
there? Cool. And do you like your hair to wear? You like to wear it big?
No, I
You
like
like to- you like it
like
small.
yes.
Why though? You have such awesome hair. You don't like it like
Yes,
shaped-
well I feel like a lion in the morning.
Yeah, I love lions.
Yeah. I also love it when my mom says no, cut it.
But you like it big. Should I go get her?
Yes.
Yeah, hold on. We were talking about evening things up, and she wants to go longer, but I gotta pull it shorter to make things even. But then what I was talking about was like, I love how much hair she has. I asked her if she was afraid of shape. And I love how much hair she has, and I want to make it like, you know, be worn to be big. How do you feel about that? We're talking about evening things up, and she wants to go longer, but I gotta pull it shorter to make things even. But then what I was talking about was like, I love how much hair she has. I asked her if she was afraid of shape. And I love how much hair she has, and like I want to make it like, you know, be worn to be big. How do you feel about that?
If she likes it, it's fine.
Do you normally try to have her mellow it out?
It's because she doesn't take care of her hair right.
Yeah, like she doesn't know how to style it
So it
the
looks,
best yet.
it looks dry. It's like this but dry.
Gotcha.
So if it's like this but it looks, you know?
Like if you got some definition in there and stuff. Well, we're going to be doing the styling with you today, so we'll make sure that we really go over on how to get the definition there as much as possible. The bleach is definitely going to throw us a little bit of a curveball because it looks like they got you pretty good, which dried it out pretty good. But I'm going to snip up some of that. We're going to really work on the styling to where we get some definition there. But then the point will be to shake it out so that you can wear it bigger, but with some definition. So that way everybody's like happy, right? Just wanted to make sure we were all on the same page about like aiming for some size. Because your hair is awesome.
Thanks.
Like we've got to be able to style this like kind of like where it is right now, right? I mean, I'm going to bring this in again to kind of like mesh up to this side. But I think I know what I need to do, as long as you're going to be okay with me taking some length. I know you want it long, but I just from what happened, I got to pull it back. You're going to be okay?
Yes.
All right, cool.